What's the meaning of counselor? Counselor. Counselor.
Counselor. Counselor. A counselor is a trained professional who provides guidance and support to individuals or groups who are dealing with personal or psychological issues. They use various techniques such as talking therapies, cognitive behavioral therapy, and psychoanalysis to help clients overcome emotional problems, relationship difficulties, and other challenges. Counselors typically work in private practice, schools, hospitals, or community counseling centers. They can specialize in different areas including marriage and family therapy, substance abuse counseling, and career counseling. Overall, counselors play a vital role in helping people achieve mental and emotional wellness.